to the beat, you feel me? To everybody that ain't got no friends, it ain't about if you roll with me.
Yo, since the age I can remember, I don't know, but I can't remember shit now. My mind is all in a gaze, in a fake clouding. My mind can't take no more disgrace from your bitches. You suckers trying to fuck and duck ya. I straight run up and suck a duck a motherfucker. Living my life, this is 2014. I've done been through a whole lot of strife, yeah. Seen prison walls and the whole nine, yeah. Been done around the motherfucking block a couple times. I'm just packing my nine, cause these days motherfuckers don't know. You might just get run up on, man, get gunned up on. Just took for your shit, now looking took stuck, what the fuck? Now you just feel dumb, but I'm coming up about my music, yo. I got dough, cause I work my 9 to 5. Fuck selling my pussy on the track for some ends, yeah. And giving them to a pimp, you got me fucked up. Trick, I'm coming up, spending my own shit, living life. Sport in the new Mike J's on my feet, yeah. Got the tightest clothes and what? Y'all bitches can't fucking step to this. None of y'all can compare to what I got, man. And I know I can be whoever I want, cause I'm in these streets, man. 2014, living in that Sin City 702 Las Vegas, come and see me. And you fuck with me, all my family, all my friends, all my crew of my motherfucking rap buddies on this fucking cypher, where you're gonna get laid out. Believe me, what I say is true. Yo, I'm straight spitting some fluence and some vengeance to your dome, cause I'm not giving a fuck. I'm like the injection to your veins, leaving you with an infection in your brains, just blown, man. I don't care, this is my world. Y'all haters think you're gonna take me out the game. You don't know, you can't fade me. I'm too sick, I'm too lyrically blown. My dome's too motherfucking blown big. I'm fucking spitting bars that'll got you fucking confused, not knowing what to say or come back. I have you stuck like you got a dick in your mouth or a cat got your tongue, but it's okay. Every dog has a day, and today I'm straight coming up, making these tracks, have motherfuckers bouncing, bumping my shit, cause I know what I'm talking about. And you know, this white girl be spitting on this floor. Fuck all y'all haters tryna fucking take me out the game. It ain't working, it'll never work, it won't never work. So you might as well give up on something. Give up and do your own thing. I'm clocking G's, ready to fucking maintain your seed. Give back to people who ain't got nothing, man. Cause it's like, what the fuck? Our government is so corrupted and polluted, fucking letting drugs come in, but it's okay. I give it to the motherfuckers that don't work 9 to 5. You gotta do something, man. See him on the block selling rock, I ain't hating. I might just buy a couple rocks to motherfucking bag up and sell, just to give him a couple ends, cause I got it like that, man. And I don't care, I'm straight riding in a motherfucking Benz while you sporting some motherfucking bus past 30 day. I don't care, yo, I'm glad to say I'm coming up, man.